Hello, Woodpeckers. Welcome back to episode 9 of Wood and Whiskey Wednesday. Welcome. Welcome back to Wood and Whiskey Wednesday, episode 9. This week we did a barrel. I don't even know what you call it. Like, I chopped the hell out of it and then burnt myself. Made something really nice with it though. So we got a barrel shelf to hold what? Whiskey. Hi, Brad. Welcome. So this was a whiskey barrel that we picked up from Lowe's. Brought it back home. Opened up with the chop saw or the sawzall. Just went after it. I've seen some of the reels or the shorts that we put up on YouTube. The longer short you can actually see at the end of it me cussing under my breath because it was burning. Some decisions were not made in the proper way they should have been made. But we're going to kick it off today with some Gentleman Jack. Pull up a stool, sit back, relax. Let me know what you're all drinking. And how are we doing on this fine Wednesday? First one's always to you all. So I had a lot of time on my hands today. I was able to get a few things done. What I didn't do was actually prepare for this. I did make a second one, smaller one. We all have ball gifts. Navy folks, Army folks, Marines. We all get the same glasses, the same. Actually, this one was really cool. Got a little canteen cup. And what do we do with them? Nothing. The majority of ours is sitting in the box upstairs. That's where I found those today to be a little backdrop. What I was looking for was little shot glasses. That's the smaller of the slats. And I would never call it again slats because I'm not going to become part of the Rico Young Thug debacle. We're going to call them wood strips. Everybody's on the same page? Great. But yeah, so I've had this idea for probably about a month and a half, just racking around in my head. Pinterest. I love Pinterest. And finally brought it to my wife. I was like, hey, this is what we want to do. We want on day date, which is great. Food was not amazing. If you ever have to go to Noodles and Company here in Jacksonville, North Carolina, skip it. You'll thank me. But while we were there, pulling up some different images, and was like, I can make that. I know I can make it because what we were looking at, buying it off of anyone selling it online was like $300. And I was like, no, I'm not paying $300 for a shelf that just is going to hold whiskey. And essentially, like, I like mine better. I don't know why. I don't know if it was just because I brought it together myself, or because it says Woodpeckers all over it. But I think I did a great job. What I was also able to do was tops and bottoms. I have an idea. Might not be a great idea, but it is an idea. I think I'm going to make a tabletop. Maybe not a tabletop, maybe a wall decoration. Don't know. I've got 2 of them. Got to sand them down. It smells so good though. No idea how good it still smells like Jack Daniels. So, but we do have many more pieces, and what you didn't get to see on any of the videos that I posted over the week was that is raw. If you can see it, and it just brushes right off. Now it's too big of a rush when I was making mine. I didn't clean it at all. I sanded the outside of it, made that nice and smooth. You one of the tops or the bottoms of the house? Yeah. May have to do that. May have to do that. But just like sanding, this is time consuming. It's not as harsh, and it's a little more satisfying. You get to see all of it just come off. And right now I'm using my foot. You see that. So on the one that I have, I didn't clean it. It's horrible. The smaller one that I made for glasses, that one's been cleaned up and it looks really, really nice. But you can see how much time and energy has to go into, you know, making one of these. But it smells so good. You know, besides a shelf to either hold whiskey or shot glasses or Rincore ball memorabilia that's not going to go anywhere but a. I just took a shower. It's not going to go anywhere but a box. What would you want to do with it? So, Tim, that is a great idea. Make a clock out of it. I have made clocks in the past out of Eagle and Anchors, actually kind of large. Making a clock out of one of those, that'd be pretty badass. Would you just do numbers? Would you do it in rank? You know, E3, E6. Now, how would you want it to make that look? Because seriously, I might have to do that. That's a damn good idea. Troy, welcome. Glad you stopped by. So, with breaking of things down, the one good thing that I got when I was sawing the hell out of that damn thing is you're taking something that has already had its use. You know, it made a damn good, you know, bottle of whiskey. But then Jack Daniels was like, I think I can make a couple $100 off of these barrels that I'm not going to be able to use. So you've seen people do things with pallets, which I am absolutely horrible at. The best pallet that I have, the thing that I've made, it's on the wall, and it's literally a backdrop. Horrible. I do have 1, 2, I think I got 2 more outside that I picked up off the side of the road because they're everywhere in North Carolina, it seems like. I haven't made anything with them other than the little backdrop. What would you pay for something that's been reclaimed? Like, I literally have 6, probably close to 20 knot slats. We're not calling them that, but 20 slats left. And I'm trying to figure out how to break into that market, because I really enjoyed making them. That's why I made this one today. I didn't go to work, so I had some time. if you do a quick poll online and you go through some of the bigger, Etsy's and things of that, they're pretty expensive. Harborn, how's it going? Almost there for retirement. So close. He is so close. Like 15 more days. So close. He might get a shelf for his retirement. I have so many pieces that I can put together. But what would you, if you wanted to do a shelf, what else would you do with it? Almost, absolutely. So Amanda said her grandfather turned a old privacy fence into a coffee table and side table. Now that's quite genius. That is really nice. My old fence is literally holding up what I'm trying to do is grow some grapes. I didn't make it. I just didn't take it down. So, but reclaimed bills give you a chance to take some rustic feel to it without putting much of anything into it. There is no stain that I put onto these. The pine, absolutely, but the barrel itself has that natural color, much like the privacy fence would. But to take something that's reclaimed it and bring it new life, I think that's pretty neat. I haven't gotten into much of any of it over the last 6 years, but I think if I wear some shoes and stop cutting metal with sandals on, I think I might have to try to break into the reclaimed wood field. Just put oil on it as a protector. And it's good. It was going back to the comment about the fence. A little bit of protecting oil on top of it, absolutely. Still don't have to put any stain on it. It's still not gonna, give that smell of stain. It was colored by nature. It's awesome. Jeff, shoes are not overrated. Go and watch that damn video. You will see me in my backyard dancing because I decided to cut through metal with a wood sawzall blade. Not smart at all. Not smart at all. There were a few other things. Giveaway. Still doing the giveaway. Still looking to see what we're going to do between the ribbon rack or a desk footlocker. Right now, that poll that we put up is still 50-50. Killing me. For the first Wednesday of the month, we are going to give something away. Don't know what it is yet. It's still going to come off of those that subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'm probably going to go over all of this month's videos and look for comments. And those that comment on any of the videos from 7 until, I'm not mathing right now, probably like 11. Most likely 11. Subscribe to the channel and comment on one of those videos, and I'll put you in the running of either a ribbon rack or a desk footlocker. Still have to figure out what it's going to be. So Tim says a whiskey shelf with some sort of mirrors in the background, some lights. Can make that one happen too. Regarding the clock, add a little whiskey logo in the middle. Any bar or restaurant would love the rustic decor. Yeah. I gotta find a good bar though. We got one down the road. It's always got somebody there, but I think it's full of Mexicans. All it smells like popcorn over there. Somebody told me that meth smells like popcorn. Horrible. All right. So I think we are gonna finish this one up a little bit early. Only because I failed you and I didn't prepare. 100%. I'll own it. Need to get better at making the script. But at least 6 of you right now are still stuck around and 15 minutes in. Love you for it. I do. Every week I say the same thing. Love you for it. Last week we had 1,000 views over all the YouTube videos. Still trying to get into that. Let your friends know. I got some great shorts. Posted one up today of old stuff that we did, just past projects. It's doing pretty well. It's doing pretty well. Go out there and like it. Send it to somebody, let you know. But with every week, we're going to close with we saw, we sand, we sip, and we repeat. Love y'all. Amanda, I'm trying to do TikTok. I need to get better. They banned one of my pictures last week. So I kind of like backed off a little bit. They don't like alcohol or guns. Found that out. Horrible. Y'all have a great night. Bye.